we're back with one more here to talk about bait. So bait wise, this is a mixture: sunflower seeds, it's got some raw peanuts in it, it's got some fruit. It's just kind of a nut variety mix. That is a very good bait. Some of the best bait we found are bacon strips for dog treats. They're pretty expensive, but it doesn't take much because it's more after the scent than anything. What we do with them, we break them up into small pieces and just mix them in with the bait. Sometimes getting rats to get up on this trap to find the bait is difficult. Simple pallet board, any short board. If you do take the regular bait, you can kind of just sprinkle it down there and put a little bit up on the lip there and kind of just lure them in and help them find their way. If you do use something like the bacon strips that are scented well, you can grab a hold of them and just rub them on that board. It'll transfer that smell right over that board, and rub a little in there, and when you crumple it up and put it in your mix, just take your top off, or your back off, bait hopper, and dump it in. And lost my rod here. Set it up for the first few nights, 3 nights, 4 nights. Put your pin in. It won't trip. It's just they're going in, they're eating for free. And after you feel comfortable that you start seeing a lot of bait scattered around, you'll start seeing some empty sunflower hulls laying around. It's a pretty good sign they're on here, they're active. Pull your pin and let it run over the night and check it the next day. And if you got any questions, again, get on the website, shoot us a link. If you got any tips or tricks that worked really well for you, we would love to hear from you, so we can pass those tips and tricks on to other customers and learn ourselves. Every day we're doing this, we're learning about catching rats, and the more information we can spread out to everybody, the easier it is for us to take care of our pest problems.